Hi guys, Simopedia back again in another video. Welcome to my channel. Installing WordPress locally on your computer gives you a testing environment that doesn't affect your live website. Normally developers use localhost to test their plugins and themes. In this video I'm going to explain the easiest way to install WordPress locally. Follow the explanation and thanks for watching. So just go to your browser and type Bitnami, then click here. You will find the link in the description. Then click Applications. Then click on WordPress. Then just click here. You can download it in Windows, Mac and Linux. I'm just going to click here to download it in Windows. Then go to the bottom and click here. No thanks. Then choose your language and click OK. Next. Next. Next, just fill up your informations here. Make sure you remember your login informations. This is very important. Next. Next. You can select this if you want the application to send you notifications to your Gmail. Then next, next, next. Then next. This is really going to take a long time. I'm just going to speed up the video. Then authorize access. Make sure you click here and then authorize access. And then finish. Then it's going to show up in your browser. Just click access WordPress. As you see, we are in WordPress now. So to log into your WordPress, just type localhost/WordPress/WP login. You will find this link in the description. Just click enter. Fill up your informations and then log in. As you see, we are in WordPress now. You can go upload your theme and work on it offline and online if you want. So guys, if you like this video, please give me like, subscribe, and if you have any more questions, please leave them in the comment section.